In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation bar to your HostGator website builder with ease and finesse. This essential feature will enhance your site's functionality, making it simpler for visitors to find what they need. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to open up your Chrome browser. Once you've done that, head over to your HostGator website builder and log in with your credentials. If you haven't already set this up, make sure you have your login details handy. Being in the right account is crucial for making site changes, so double check that you're logged into the correct account for the website you wish to modify. With access to your HostGator website builder, navigate to the specific page where you'd like to add the navigation bar. It's always a good practice to have a clear idea of where your navigation bar will make the most sense and provide the best user experience. Typically, these go near the top of your page, so they are one of the first things visitors can interact with. On this page, look for the option that says Add Section or perhaps Add Element. These are the tools available within the builder that allow you to enrich your site with different features. Clicking on them opens up a variety of options you can add. From the menu that appears, select Navigation Bar. This option should enable you to create a dynamic interface where your visitors can easily move around your site. Selecting this element will integrate the navigation bar into the chosen page, giving you a great foundation to start customizing from. Now comes the fun part: customization. This is your opportunity to tailor the navigation bar to fit seamlessly with your site's design and purpose. You can modify the links to fit your site's content structure and ensure each link directs to the correct page. Spend some time adjusting the design aspects as well, like colors, fonts, and layout, to match your site's overall aesthetic. A well-designed navigation bar not only looks professional, but also greatly enhances user experience. Once you're satisfied with how the navigation bar looks and functions, it's important to save your changes. Hit that save button to ensure that all your hard work doesn't get lost. With everything saved, take a moment to preview your website. Go through the pages like a visitor might, clicking on the navigation links to verify they all work correctly and enhance the user experience as intended. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to integrate a navigation bar into your HostGator website builder. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and make sure to check back for more tips and tricks on building an amazing website. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!